Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to learn maths in a totally different and new way. Today, this mathematics is we are going to learn in a very simple way. We are going to play one game, but this is a indoor game, not outdoor game. For that, you must know some rules. Before telling the rules, I will present one example in Marathi. That is the Marathi puzzle. You have to guess what is in my mind. I am going to present the Marathi puzzle in front of you. Sapate, can you read it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, read loudly.
4 खंडांचा एक शहर, 4 विहिरी बिना पाणी, चोर 18 त्या शहरी एक राणी, आला एक शिपाई, सगळ्यांना मारून मारून विहिरीत टाकी, सांगा काय आहे?
आता तुम्हाला हे ओळखायचंय माझ्या मनात काय आहे नक्की. खेळात असतात. आता तर मला वाटतं गेस तुम्ही करू शकाल. कोणत्या खेळामध्ये असतात 4 विहिरी?
कॅरम.
व्हेरी गुड, कॅरम बोर्ड. आता पहा बरं, कॅरम बोर्डशी रिलेटेड हे ना आता सगळं जोडलं जात आहे का? पहा, अगदी बरोबर अंदाज केला तुम्ही. पहा, कॅरम बोर्ड, that is the correct answer. Very good. Students, in the similar way, we are going to learn the mathematics. First of all, you have to create one activity sheet in your notebook. Please draw the activity sheet in your notebook. Is it visible to all? Swami?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to note it first of all. There are 3 columns. Yes examples, no examples, we call it as a non-examples, and your guess, that is a hypothesis. Now I will clarify the rules, how to play the games. This is an indoor game, so you will enjoy it properly. In that game, there is a one concept in my mind. There is a one concept in my mind. You have to guess it. You have to recognize it. What is in my mind? For that, I will present different examples on screen. Out of these examples, some examples are related to my concept. So I will put these examples in yes examples. Some examples are not related to my concept. That example I will put in no groups or non-examples. After putting the examples or after the classifying the examples, you have to write your guess in your third column. You have to write the example 1, example 2, like that here. If whether it is no example, you have to write here example 1, and you have to write the guess what is in my mind. So you have to recognize the concept in my mind. Is it clear? All the rules?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let us start the examples. I will show some examples related to my concept, and you have to guess which concept it is. This is the first example. Here is the angle ABC. This example is not related to my concept. So I am putting this example in no group. That is non-examples. You also note in your activity sheet no example, that is example 1, and write your guess about my concept. You have to write the guess what I am going to think, or which thoughts are there in my mind. That you have to note. Good. Have you noted everybody? Hiremat?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now I will show another example related to this concept. This is the another example. Here also two angles are there. Angle PSQ and angle PQSR. There are two angles. But this example is related to my concept. So I am putting this example in my yes group. Now you have to mention example 2 in yes group, yes column, and write the guess in front of it in third column, whether your guess is changed or not. If changed, you can write it. If not changed, you can write as it is. You have to write guess what is in my mind, or which concept in my mind, that you have to note it. Have you noted?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now I will show another example. Here also angles, two angles I have shown. Angle 90 degree and angle 120 degree. Here also these angles are related to my concept. So I am putting this example in yes group. This is the yes example. You have to note in your activity sheet, that is the example 3 in yes group. And you have to write the guess, whether it is changed or not. Very good. Now I will show another example. You are already familiar with that examples. Here also another example. This is the figure 4. So in this example, there are also two angles. These angles are related to my concept. So I am writing this example in yes group. You have to note your guess. What is in my mind? Let us see another example. Here also figure 4. This example is not related to my concept. This example is not related. So I am putting this example in no group. You also note figure 5 in no group. And you have to write the guess about my concept. Let us see another one. This is another example in figure 6. Here also there are two angles, but this example is related to my concept. So I am putting that example in yes group. You have to note your guess in your activity sheet, whether it is changed or not. Let it be. Two examples are there. Now I will show second last. Here also two angles that I have mentioned. I am thinking about these two angles that I have noted there. Angle XYZ and angle SYJ. But these angles are not related to my concept. These angles are not related to my concept. So I am putting this figure in no group. Think properly think carefully. Observe each diagram carefully so that you have to guess what is in my mind. Now, only one example is there that I want to show. Now, I would like to show the last example. Here, I have mentioned two angles. Angle U, V, W. That is the whole angle. That is the large angle. And small angle T, V, W. That is the another angle. I am thinking about these two angles, but these angles are not related to my concept. These angles are not related to my concept. So I am putting this example in no group. Now I will show which examples are related to my yes group and which are not in no groups properly. Okay. Have you seen properly? I have classified these examples in yes and no group so that you can think properly. First of all, tell me which are the guess you have noted. Swami. Which guesses you have noted about my concept? That you have to tell with proper sequence. Swami, can you hear me? Bugde.
Yes, sir.
So
first, interior angle. And
yes,
second
I am writing here interior angle that you have guessed. Okay. Then
and then adjacent angle.
Adjacent angle. Very good. Then
सगळे बाकीचे adjacent angleच आहेत.
Very good. Is there another guess related to these figures? Sapate, Edke, Shinde. Is there another guess other than Bugde that you have noted? Shinde.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Have you noted another guess rather than Bugde?
The first figure, I think.
Yes.
You teach supplement angle.
Yes. Very good.
Supplementary angle.
Supplementary angle. Very good. Then let us stop. Now you have to both the groups. I have shown here yes group, that is the left hand side, and no group, that is right hand side. In yes group there are 4 figures that I have already classified, and no group there are also 4 figures that I have already classified. You have to compare both the groups. What is different between both the groups? Swami?
Sir, in yes group, the angles are started from the same vertex.
Yes.
But in the no group, there are some examples which have different vertex.
Very good. Very good.
Starting, and in yes group, those there are collinear angles. Some
Yes.
they are either acute angles both, or some is acute and another is obtuse. But
Very good.
in the no group, there is some examples there is only one example.
Yes.
In some there are 2 examples, but they are arisen from a different vertices.
Very good. Your observation was very correct and clear. Very good. Now, all of students, you have to focus on only yes group. you have to focus on only S group. What are the similarities that you have observed in S group? Similar things are there in every figure that you have to mention. Bugde.
Sir, both angles have same vertex and one side common. Parallel
Yes, very good.
In both.
In every figure there are two angles. Is it clear? We have focused on only two angles. Okay. And then your observation is vertex is same. Very good. Then Bugde.
And one side is also same.
Very good. Bugde, can you clarify which is the common side in every figures? In S group only? Sapate. You have to clarify which is the common side and which are the non-common sides of both the angles. Suppose I am focusing on figure 4.
Sir, Bugde is saying that she is not getting your voice. So can I reply or answer?
No. Hiremat, whether any other is there? Hiremat. Shinde. Shinde, can you hear me properly? Shinde, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
You have to give the answer in figure related to this figure 4. Which is the common sides? Which is the common side in both the figures?
So angle JKM and angle MKL, KM side is common.
Yes. Ray KM is the common. Very good. Which are the non-common sides? Common arms. Yes.
Side KJ and KL
Very good.
are non-common side.
Very good. Very good. Is it possible this feature is related to all the figures? Sapate, can you explain the figure 6?
Yes, sir.
You have to explain which is the common vertex and which is the common arms.
Common vertex is PM and non-common is side MR and side MT.
These are the non-common arms. Very good. But which is the common vertex of both the angles?
Common vertex is MT. Ray
No.
MT.
No. Vertex
Only
is a
one.
single point. That is a single point.
Vertex M.
Vertex
Very good. Vertex M, that is the common vertex. Very good. So you have find out the two common features. First one is there are the common vertex and there are another feature that is common arm in both the angles. There are the pair of angles. In pair of angles, common vertex is there and common arm is there. Very good. Now see here last figure, figure 8. Here also common vertex is there. Common arm is there. But this is not related to my concept. Why? What is the difference? What is another feature? So that feature is not related to S group. Only focus on figure 8. There are also two angles, pair of angles. There are also common vertex. There are also common arm. That VW is the common arm. Vertex V is a common vertex. But this is not related to my concept. Why?
So in a yes group, all these angles are separate in region.
Very good. Very good. All
But in
the,
figure 8,
yes,
sir, in figure 8, UVW angle is mixed with angle
yes,
TVW.
yes. These angles have a no separate interior. Very good. These are the features that you have mentioned. I will note it on blackboard. These are the features. We call it as attributes of this concept. Two angles have one common arm. They have common vertex, and angles have separate interiors. What do you call such a type of angles? What do you call?
Adjacent angle.
We call it as a adjacent angle. That is the concept in my mind. Very good. That is the concept in my mind. Adjacent angle. Now, how can you define adjacent angle by using these attributes? You have to define adjacent angle by using these attributes. Yes, anybody?
And two angles with the same vertex and with a common vertex and one common arm, but
Yes.
having separate interiors are called adjacent angles.
Very good. We call it as a adjacent angle which have a one common arm and common vertex but separate interiors. I will write this definition on blackboard. Who will read it? Kupse, you have to read it. Definition of adjacent angles. Kupse.
Adjacent angles of definition: two angles that have a common vertex and common side but have a separate interiors.
Very good. We call it as a adjacent angles. Very good. Now there are the three features: common vertex, common side, and separate interiors. Now, students, I will show you another examples. You have to classify in yes and no group. I will show you first example. Can you see properly? Joshi.
Yes.
Joshi.
Yes, sir.
In which group you can put it, whether in yes or whether in no? In which group you can
No,
put?
no group.
No group. Why? Which features are
Because
related to these angles? Yes.
the angles are separate.
Separate angles are there. Very good. Is there another attributes not related to these angles?
There is no common vertex.
Very good. There is no common vertex, so we cannot
No common arm.
in yes group. Very good. Now I would like to show you another example. Kupse, in which group you can put it?
Yes group, sir.
Very good. Why you are going to put in yes group?
MEN vertex common.
Common vertex is there. Very good. Is another attribute here there? With the three attributes, you have to verify it. You have to check it. Three attributes. Yes, anybody? Sapate.
There.
You have to check the every attributes related to this figure. Related to this figure. Yes. One attribute already.
Common side is
Common side. Which is the common side?
Common side is MN.
Mn. Ray Mn is the common side or common arm. Very good. And which attributes remain to check?
Interior
Both angles
there.
are different interiors.
Yes, there are the separate.
Both angles are separate interiors.
Very good, very good. Now I would like to show you another example. Now Joshi will verify or test whether this is a yes group or no group. Example. Joshi.
No group, sir.
Why it is in a no group? Which features are not, which attributes are not related to this figure?
No common side.
No common side. Very good. Is there another attributes? Common. Whether there is a common attributes.
Sir,
No,
in the diagram, common vertex and separate interior.
Yes, these two attributes are fulfilled, but one attribute is not fulfilled. That is already mentioned.
Common arm.
Common R. Very good. Now I would like to show you last figure. Head K, you have to check whether this is a
Yes, group.
yes group. Why it is in yes group?
Common vertex, common side, and separated interior.
Very good. There is the common vertex E, common arm, that is EG, and also separate interiors. Very good. Now I will show you another new examples, and you have to tell me which angles are the adjacent angles. Hiremat. I have mentioned that
angle 1, 2 are adjacent.
angle 1 and 2 are the adjacent angle. Very good. Is there another example?
Angle 2 and angle 3, sir.
Very good. Angle 2 and angle 3. Is there another one?
Angle 3 and angle 4. And angle 4 and angle 1.
Very good. Why angle 1 and angle 2 are the adjacent?
Because of one common side is there.
Yes. Another attribute?
Common vertex and
Common
separate
vertex is
interior.
there and separate interiors. Very good. Now last one. In this example, which angles are adjacent angles? Yes.
Angle 1
Angle?
and angle 4, sir.
Angle 4. Very good. Angle 1 and angle 4. Similarly, angle 3 and 4. Is there a adjacent angle? Angle 3 and 4. Whether it is a adjacent?
No, sir.
Why? Angle 3 and 4. Very carefully.
They are adjacent angles.
Why? Swami?
They have a common vertex, common
Yes.
arm, and
Yes,
their
common arm is
interiors
here.
are separate.
Yes, very good. Common arm is here, common vertex is here, and separate interior. So these are adjacent. Very good. Now I will repeat the first step. That is in first page we have learned that which concept that you have to show or you have to recognize. I have presented different examples after presenting the first example, that is the first example, what is your guess? You have presented, I have presented this example. What is your guess?
It may not be an angle.
Yes, very good. Whether your guess is changed after presenting this example, figure 2 that I have presented.
Yes, sir, because
Yes,
gate was not changed, but I thought it may be a quadrilateral.
very good. After presenting the third example, that is the third example. What is your guess?
I thought it may be a collinear angles.
Very good. When you have recognized my concept, after fourth example, after fifth example, after sixth example, when? I have presented 8 examples total. But no need of all the examples. Some students can guess after figure 6. Some students can guess after figure 7. Like that. How many figures you need to guess the concept in my mind? Swami.
5, up to figure 5, I recognize.
Very good. Now, here we have learned the concept adjacent angle. This is the basic concept in mathematics. You must know that basic concept because this concept is very useful for next new concepts. You have to learn various pairs of angles in your geometry. So in pairs of angles, you must know what is the adjacent angle. That is the basic concept. Like that basic concept, you must learn new concepts. What is the procedure of learning the concept? You have learned today the concept of adjacent angle. What is the process? What I have present at first, then I have presented, which is the proper sequence of attaining the concept. आपण जे आता संबोध शिकलो या संबोध कसा आपण शिकलो त्याचा क्रम कसा होता शिंदे
First, we give the number of examples.
Yes.
Then you divide the examples in yes and no
Yes and no
column.
group. Very good. Then
Then
you are going to compare it. Similarity and difference. Yes, very good. You are comparing it. After it, after that, what happens? Only comparison you can get the concept.
From that similarities and differences, we try to define that concept.
Very good. Before defining the concept, you have written the attributes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have written you have guessed the attributes, and using the attributes, you have defined the concept. That is the process of attaining the concept. Very good. Next lecture, we can learn the new concept. Today, we can stop here.